Crochet Dandelion Bookmark Pattern, handmade gift for book lovers. This handmade bookmark is the perfect gift for book lovers or a delightful treat for yourself. What you'll get: a detailed, easy to follow crochet pattern PDF file with step-by-step instructions, clear photos to guide you through each stage of the process, list of materials and tools needed, tips and tricks for achieving the best result. Part 1. Flower. Yellow yarn. First row, chain 8, double treble in first stitch. Use the stitch as a base for a bullion block stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop to the same height as surrounding stitches. Repeat 4 times. Chain 2, double treble crochet and bullion block stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop to the same height as surrounding stitches. Repeat 4 times. Chain 7, slip stitch in the first chain. Second row, 7 single crochet in chain space. Cut yarn. Two single crochet in chain space. Repeat 4 times. 7 single crochet in chain space. Slip stitch in the first single crochet. Cut yarn. Add brown yarn, chain 36. Part 3. Leaf. 7 chain, skip first chain, single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 2. Working into the other side of the foundation chain, single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 2. 7 slip stitch. 20 slip stitch. Part 4. Second leaf. Make 16 slip stitch and cut yarn.